Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dela Eji Puspita Dewi from the Information Technology Class A, Semester 1. Okay, let's go straight to the code block because here I am using the code block for my program. Here I will reverse the syntax of our big project. Okay, let's just try to run the program. Here, I will present my big project about blocks warehousing. Now, as it's on the screen, it says the name of our big project group for the initial appearance, my friends. And I wrote the block warehousing program. Then there, the user is asked to determine how many items to buy. Now here, I will give an example. For example, then is this one basket. The user is asked to enter the name of the item he wants to determine. For example, the name of the item is rich because we use bullock here. Here, for example, less than the price 7,000. Here, the user is told to specify yes to enter the price of the item. For example, the price raised is then the user is asked to determine how to enter. 2 stocks of goods. So the stock of goods, for example, the stock of goods is 100. So here the user is asked to enter data in basket 2, for example, the name of the sugar item. Then as before, enter the price of the item. For example, the price of sugar is 5,000. Namely, option 1, search for item, option 2, see all item, and option 9. Namely, exit here. There, the user is asked to enter a choice between the 3 minutes. Here, for action 2, I type search for item number. We are asked to enter the name of the item to be searched for. For example, rice, I will look for rice. Well, then I will be found in part 1. Namely, the name of the item rice, the price of the item 7,000, and the total stock is 100. So it's like that. If the user's choice number 2, namely see all item. There is a menu to see all item, namely number 1, see by item name, number 2, see items based on price, and the third choice menu, see item based on the amount of stock. Yes, of stock. And the cost menu 9, or the 9th option that is back here, I support we are the option number 1, which is to see based on the name of the item here. The user is asked to enter a choice between number 1 or number 3 or option 1, which mean that here I will give an example to enter input number 1, see based on the name of the item. There will be a list based on the name of the item, a table with a beam made for the name of the item, the price of the item, the amount of stock, and will be total for the ratio, and will be total in full for the number of stock. There was an error from our big project, and we apologize for that. I can't be perfect, and thank you so much for my presentation. Maybe there is an error in my words. I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.